Welcome to our journey through Africa's most fascinating tribes and their amazing cultures. This vast continent is home to a kaleidoscope of people, each with their own unique traditions, beliefs and ways of life. From the rolling plains of the Maasai Mara to the arid deserts of Namibia, from the lush forests of South Africa to the ancient cliffs of Mali, we will encounter tribes that have thrived for centuries, their existence deeply intertwined with the land and its rhythms. These are stories of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring power of the human spirit. Join me as we venture into the heart of Africa to witness the extraordinary diversity and richness of its tribal cultures. Here, on the savannah stretching across Kenya and Tanzania, we find the Masai, a tribe as renowned for their striking red attire as for their deep connection to their cattle. These animals, you see, are at the very heart of Maasai life, their source of sustenance and a symbol of status. The men, adorned with intricate beadwork and elaborate headdresses, are often seen tending to their herds, their staffs held high, figures of quiet authority against the backdrop of the open plains. Look closely, and you'll notice the distinctive ear piercings and stretched earlobes, marks of beauty and tradition passed down through generations. Theirs is a semi-nomadic existence, a constant search for fresh grazing lands for their cattle. It is a life of hardship, certainly, but also one of great pride and self-sufficiency. The Masai are renowned for their bravery, their warriors famed for their skill with a spear. But theirs is not a culture of aggression, but rather one of deep respect for the land and its creatures. They believe in living in harmony with nature, taking only what they need and giving back in return. Their dances, full of vibrant energy and rhythmic movements, are a testament to this connection, a celebration of life itself. Listen to the sound of their voices, raised in song, echoing across the plains. It is a sound that speaks of ancient traditions, of a way of life that has endured for centuries. As the sun sets on the savannah, casting long shadows across the land, we leave the Masai, their resilience and deep connection to their heritage, leaving an indelible mark on our journey. Our journey takes us now to the arid landscapes of northern Namibia, home to the Himba people. Here, amidst the harsh beauty of the desert, we find a culture that has remained remarkably unchanged for centuries. The Himba are instantly recognizable for their distinctive appearance, their skin adorned with a paste of red ochre, butterfat, and herbs. This mixture, known as ochre, is not merely decorative, it serves as both sunscreen and moisturizer, protecting their skin from the relentless desert sun. But it is their hair, perhaps, that is most striking, styled in elaborate braids and dreadlocks, often adorned with beads and shells. These intricate hairstyles are not merely a matter of vanity. They signify age, marital status, and social standing within the community. The Himba are pastoralists, their lives revolving around their herds of cattle and goats. The animals are their livelihood, providing them with milk, meat, and hides. Witness the women, their movements graceful and deliberate as they milk the cows, their voices a low murmur in the morning stillness. Observe the men, their faces weathered by the sun and wind, as they lead their herds across the parched landscape, their knowledge of the land passed down through generations. Theirs is a life intimately connected to the rhythms of nature, their survival dependent on their ability to adapt to the harsh realities of their environment. Despite the challenges they face, the Himba have retained their strong sense of community and tradition. Their lives are governed by ancient customs and beliefs, passed down orally from one generation to the next. As we bid farewell to the Himba, we carry with us a profound respect for their resilience and their deep connection to their ancestral lands. Our journey now brings us southward to the lush landscapes of South Africa, home to the Zulu people, the largest ethnic group in this diverse nation. Their history is a rich tapestry woven with tales of warrior kings, fierce battles, and a vibrant cultural heritage that continues to thrive today. From the rolling hills of KwaZulu-Natal to the bustling cities, the Zulu people have left an indelible mark on the landscape and the soul of South Africa. Their language, isiZulu, is spoken by millions, its rhythmic cadence echoing the beat of their vibrant music and dance. Imagine the thunderous sound of the ingoma drums, their deep resonance calling the community together for celebrations and ceremonies. Witness the energy of the Indlamu dance, the warriors' feet pounding the earth in perfect unison, their bodies moving with an agility that speaks of strength and discipline. The Zulu people are renowned for their beadwork, intricate designs that tell stories of love, loss, and courage. Each color, each pattern holds a specific meaning, a language understood by those who know how to read it. But beyond their warrior past, the Zulu people are also known for their strong sense of family and community. Ubuntu, a Nguni Bantu term, encapsulates their worldview, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all people and the importance of compassion and respect. As we delve deeper into Zulu culture, we encounter the legacy of Shaka Zulu, the warrior king who united the Zulu clans in the early 19th century, transforming them into a formidable force. His military prowess and strategic brilliance are still studied and admired today. But the Zulu people are more than just their history. They are a vibrant and dynamic people, their culture constantly evolving, adapting to the changing times while still holding fast to their traditions. Their story is a testament to the enduring power of culture, the ability to preserve identity and heritage in the face of adversity. We journey now to the heart of southern Africa, to the Kalahari Desert, a land of stark beauty and unforgiving conditions. It is here that we encounter the San people, often referred to as Bushmen, one of the oldest cultures on Earth. Their lineage stretches back tens of thousands of years, their very existence a testament to human adaptability and resilience. The San are hunter-gatherers, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythms of the natural world. Their knowledge of the desert is profound, passed down orally through generations, a living library of survival techniques honed over millennia. Watch as they track game, their senses alert to the slightest sound, the faintest footprint in the sand. Their knowledge of animal behavior is astonishing. Their hunting techniques a testament to their deep understanding of the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The San are masters of survival, able to extract sustenance from the most unyielding environments. They gather roots, berries and insects, their knowledge of the land providing nourishment where others would find only desolation. Their tools, often crafted from natural materials like bone, wood and stone, are simple yet effective. Their arrows, tipped with carefully crafted points coated in poison, extracted from desert plants, are a testament to their ingenuity and resourcefulness. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the desert, we gather around a flickering fire with the San people. Their stories, told in languages characterized by unique clicking consonants, transport us to a time when humans lived in harmony with nature. Their rock art, found in caves and rock shelters throughout southern Africa, offers a glimpse into their spiritual world, depicting animals, hunts and dances that have transcended millennia. The San people, though facing challenges to their traditional way of life, continue to teach us about the importance of living in balance with nature, of respecting the delicate web of life that sustains us all. Our final destination takes us to the Bandiagara escarpment in Mali, a breathtaking landscape of sandstone cliffs and verdant valleys. It is here, amidst this dramatic scenery, that we encounter the Dogon people, a culture renowned for its unique architecture, elaborate masks, and a cosmology that has fascinated anthropologists and astronomers alike. The Dogon villages, built into the cliffsides, seem to grow organically from the rock itself. Their homes, granaries, and ceremonial structures are constructed using traditional techniques, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. The Dogon people are skilled farmers, cultivating crops on the fertile land at the base of the cliffs. Their agricultural practices are closely tied to their astronomical knowledge, their planting and harvesting cycles aligned with the movements of the stars, particularly Sirius. But it is their cosmology, their understanding of the universe, that truly sets the Dogon apart. For centuries they have possessed knowledge of Sirius B, a white dwarf star invisible to the naked eye, its existence only confirmed by Western science in the 19th century. Their intricate masks, used in religious ceremonies and dances, are more than just decorative objects. They represent spirits, ancestors and mythological figures, connecting the Dogon people to their rich spiritual heritage. Witness the Sigui ceremony, a vibrant and colourful event that takes place every 60 years, marking the cycle of death and rebirth. The masks, some towering over the dancers, come alive with movement, their intricate designs telling stories that have been passed down through generations. The Dogon people, with their unique blend of art, architecture and astronomy, remind us of the boundless capacity of the human mind to explore, understand and make sense of the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Africa's diverse and vibrant cultures. From the Maasai warriors to the San hunters, from the Himba's timeless beauty to the Dogon's celestial wisdom, we've witnessed the resilience, ingenuity and deep connection to heritage that defines these remarkable people. Their stories remind us of the importance of preserving cultural diversity, of learning from different ways of life, and of appreciating the interconnectedness of humanity. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content.